Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make dragon chicken. It's the easiest Indo-Chinese chicken dish to make. The color is red, vibrant color. It's very appealing and tasty, delicious, and you can make it quickly and easy, no time. This recipe combination from Indian and Chinese fusion, where is the right spices, is perfect dish for the appetizer and as starter. Food is a God-gift channel. Please like, comment and share and subscribe. To make this dragon chicken recipe, all you need is a chicken breast, soy sauce, salt, chili, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, corn flour, all-purpose flour, green pepper, 1 onion, chili, cashew, green onion. For sauce, soy sauce, chili paste, ketchup, sugar, salt and chili flake. So friends, I'm going to show you how do I cut to the chicken breast to thin strips. So all you need to run to the chicken and cut thin. It's about 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter. So this thin. So we need to cut all as thin so you can fry it in about 1 to 3 minutes, fully cook in the deep frying. So now I'm showing how to marinate the chicken. So I add all the chili powder, ginger garlic paste and soy sauce and salt. I'm going to marinate and try to combine all that sauce and ginger garlic paste. Now I'm adding the flour, corn flour, and I'm going to keep mix all together in the delicate way. So I'm going now add the all-purpose flour. So the corn flour and all-purpose flour give the nice coating and crunchiness when we do the deep frying. Now let's set marinate at least 1 to 2 hours. In the pan, I'm just setting up in a medium high temperature. So in one plate or pan, I'm just layer up some paper towel. So once we fry, we can take all the frying excess oil from the chicken. So I'm now start frying. The oil is hot. So please drop each chicken strips in little bit between gap so it will cook nice and brown. So we're going to cook at least 3 minutes complete cook. So it will cook fast because the chicken is thin and it's just a meat. You can always use the air fryer or you can bake in oven. Just lay it on the tray and bake it with just spray the oil. Just let it deep fry until nice golden brown. So that's it friends, now it's ready. So we're going to drain it under the paper towel, so all the excess oil will absorb by the paper towel. So now I'm showing how to make that sauce for our dragon chicken. So I just add about 1 teaspoon of oil. I just add all the ingredient that we cut it earlier, the onion, ginger garlic paste and dry chili. We're going to saute about 1 minute. It just need to be a little bit sweat. That's it. Now I'm adding that little bit salt, chili flakes and black pepper. Friends, please watch the salt amount because we already have a salt in our marination of the chicken, and we already going to add another tablespoon of soy sauce in our sauce. So just watch your salt amount. So I just added that green pepper. So we're going to stir about 1 minute. I like to keep my green pepper little crunchy on my dragon chicken. Now I just added chili garlic paste, ketchup and soy sauce. That's it, friends. Now I'm going to add all that the fried chicken we did earlier. So I'm going to toss all that chicken in that sauce, that chili and then the bell pepper, onion. I'm going to toss all that nicely, let it coated, so have like a nice saucy and the goodness and the crunchy chicken. It's so good, friend. It smells so good. It's all come together. Look at this. Look at the color. It's so vibrant, and the red chili. Now just add that roasted cashew nut. Just toss it again. So we have a nice and cashew and a chili. Look at the friends. Just so good. It's so perfect appetizer and the best side dish for the fried rice, roti, paratha, any side. It goes so well. Look at this, friend. It's so good. It looks so yummy. It tastes also amazing. It gives nice crunchiness from the cashew nut, the sweetness from the bell pepper, and the sauce itself gives nice flavor, sweet, sour and spicy. It's so good. It's so delicious. It's best appetizer for the party, and delicious started for you can made it at home. So friend, please try this delicious recipe and please leave a comment before you go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.